How many?
You said with 3 hours I can get your factory, right?
So today I'm going to show you one market that where a lot of African people are packing the products here. Look, and a lot of them will come here to stay here in the city, and they work and do business here. And the majority of the foreigners are from Africa, like Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, South Africa. A lot of African countries. This is one of the places where they stay and pack their products. One of the places, the refrigerator. This is the refrigerator. So there are a lot of shipping companies, cargoes. Mostly they ship wire cargoes, and sometimes I help my customers to deliver the hair here if they are from Africa, South Africa, Namibia, Ghana. And let me check what other African countries they are from. Okay, so this is the business hub. Is it a second-hand shoes? New. It's new. One of my African customers are looking for this. Can I have a look? This is the shoes if you are interested. Because I have the factories here. Most of the time they don't know where to get the products with the cheaper price. They just collect here in the market. Because I'm the local people, so I know where to get it with a cheaper price. This is shoes. And the Nike, what other brand? And this one. Are you only looking for shoes or what other products? Oh, it's for children. This is for children. So, what products are you looking for? Because I'm the local people, I have a lot of African people to collect products. But normally you collect in the market. I help them to collect in the factories. What products you want? Let me know.
I'm here in China.
Yeah. I know you're in China. Yes, here's in China. It's the city. Okay. So let me continue. So yes, I need to with one of my friends. One of my friends is here. Oh, this is a harbor building for hair. So, do you cut hair for lady? For lady.
Chinese,
Lady, girls, for girls.
or Chinese or African.
African. Because one of my friends is coming in to look for to cut hair. You can cut for lady. Okay. He say he can cut for lady, so I just come here. So they have a lot of goods here. It's like a warehouse. And this is a small shop. So I will help you. So when you come here, it's second floor. Honestly speaking, I don't spend a lot of time here because this market is for Africa. They don't know. You know, my family. You see, my family in the village. Here is the city. My family in the village, they open a clothing factory, and a lot of people they go there, they go to the factory and they collect clothing and other products and put here, and other African people come here to buy. So if we connect with each other, I can lead you to the factory, and you know, it's very, very competitive, and all different. This clothing we can produce, because I am helping one of my family members. I'm helping one of my family members to collect the information first in the markets. They stay in the factory, but they don't come to the market. So I do a business with them. Yes, they have a lot of clothing here. A lot of clothing you can check. All these. But all this for African market.
Yeah.
Africa market is my. You sell the clothing here. You sell the clothing here.
What's it?
Oh. You purchase here.
Huh?
You purchase clothing here. You buy clothing here.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. I will. Thank you. I'll talk with you later. They have they have this. They have this. I'm helping one of my friend. Check this. Yes. Okay. I'll talk later. So this is the business strategy. They stay here, and then they help their people in their country. They help their people in the country to collect all the products. So all the products. It's not easy. It's all. I know. It's all closing. I'm helping this one. Lagos, Kenya, Nairobi. Can I ask? Okay, you're busy. So they are in the market. You come here. They're in the market. You come here. You can stock your clothes in here. They need to buy because you are the factory. So that's welcome. The third floor. But let me go to another place. This is not very cloudy, but I just show you the corner of this place. So I will come later. I'm helping one of my friends who is also like you guys to check the market. So what products are you looking for? What products are you buying in China? What?
Clothes.
Clothes. What type of clothes? Because when I went to the second floor, I saw all different
Top and joggers.
Oh, you're from Nigeria?
Yeah.
A lot of people from Nigeria.
Yeah.
One of my family member opens a clothing factory. That's why I'm here to help. Because they are factory. So in the market you see a lot of shops, right?
Yes.
A lot of shops, when they receive orders from you guys, they put the orders to our factory, and then we deliver the goods here, and you are here. Okay, no problem. Oh, okay. So I help one of the man is talking about some product with me now. We talk later. And you see, I just add his WeChat, and they are staying in China. You always stay in China. So it's very, very convenient because from here to our factory is like 2 hours driving, about 3 hours driving.
3 hours.
In the same place in the Bay Area in Guangdong province. I'm not sure if you know another city.
Okay, another city.
Another, but it's not far.
Okay.
That's why a lot of shops, they place orders. How many?
You said with 3 hours I can get your country, right? 3 hours.
Three. If you take the metro, it's fast.
Okay, faster.
So I'm not sure because this is now. I had been here before, but I was I'm in Hong Kong now. But I have a business here. The business is like to help my customers to deliver the products out of China. So sometimes I go to Hong Kong and come here.
I'll send you pictures.
Okay.
I'll send you pictures based on things that I deal with. The kind of clothes I sell. I'll send you the pictures.
Okay. And you tell me quantity and something.
Yes, I'll tell you.
So
the quantity.
I will just keep searching for my family member.
No problem.
How many years have you been living in China?
2 years.
2 years. Is it very good, better than Nigeria?
Yes, I mean.
And you don't want to go back because I have a lot of friends stay in China. They don't want to go back.
I do go back and come.
Okay. Keep in touch, yeah.
Thank you.
Keep in touch. I will send a video to you. Maybe you. Okay.
Thank you.
So, I just finished talking with one of the guy who is doing the clothing business. So this I can help my family members. So this is the best way. They stay here, so it's very convenient for me to come here. Sometimes you have any members in Hong Kong. So the guy who just added my my WeChat is always stay here. So they buy a lot of clothes in here, but I'm trying to. They buy a lot of clothes in here. I'm trying to help them to directly go to the factory so they can collect it easy way and cheaper price. I will go to another market later. The guy is from Nigeria. He's going to purchase clothing. So I will tell you later who. So I like this way. Let's go. And I'm looking for some. Yeah, you see, there are a lot of packing area here. But they don't. This is the house Obo Tech, Norwich. I'm walking to another area, but I would like to share with you. This is their traditional place where they will stay, and I know there's a new place for foreigners like you guys who come to China can do good business. If you can open business in the right way, you stay in that area, not this area, it's another area. It will be very, very good because you get supporting from the government. And it's very, very close to Hong Kong. And sometimes we ship the products, the trucks collect the products here, and they need to deliver the products to Hong Kong, and via Hong Kong it's like flight out to your country. So I love doing this thing. Another place, I'm going to another. I will come later, another time. I'll come.